Guys, welcome back to Drew tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use think in Grok. So as you can see here, I'm in the Grok AI dashboard, guys, and you can basically type whatever you want. But in order to use the think, just simple click on that. You will see the light bulb lights up, and you can go ahead and just ask whatever you want. So let's say I would like to say how to become rich from YouTube, right? So I'm going to ask it that, and just allow the AI to think and to do its thing. And look at that. How cool is that? So, guys, you can use the think or you can use the deep search. Both act in a similar way, but I'm telling you, both are incredible, cool to actually use. And as you can see here, it do its thinking and it gives me how to become rich on YouTube, tells me how to find a niche, how to create high quality and consistent content, how to master the algorithm, how to monetize my YouTube channel. Guys, some really cool stuff. It's so cool. And I just want to say, just go ahead and check out Grok AI, guys. Go ahead and check out Grok and start playing with these features, because I'm telling you, if you're a person who likes AI or curious about AI, you will be fascinated by some of the things that these AI tools can do. And yeah, just go ahead and check it out, guys. Head over to grok.com, create your account, and just start playing around with Grok. I want to say Elon Musk is killing it with these AI platform, with this AI chat here, guys. Super cool. So give thanks for it. And yeah, just go ahead and check it out, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.